We're going to talk about making slip, and I'm not talking about stepping on a banana peel. I'm talking about the paste-like clay that you use when you score your work and then put other little pieces together. So slip just helps bind that clay, lock it. It helps seal out air bubbles, and we're going to talk about making your own slip. Quick and easy. Grab a little bit of your clay and tear off a piece. And then what you're going to do is just mash it out. Make a nice little pancake. Set that aside and let that become bone dry. The color will change. It will get real brittle. I have a few scraps of clay that I've already dried, and this is just like that pancake I just made. So you'll grab a yogurt cup. Could be a Tupperware, then you'll have a lid. If you're using a yogurt cup, when you're all done, you're going to want to put plastic wrap on it with a rubber band to seal the air out so you can use it over and over. But you'll take your pieces, break up your little dried pancake, and put your pieces in a yogurt cup, and then pour just enough water to cover the top of the clay. That clay, within 10 minutes, will go to mush. So it goes from bone dry clay to mush. If you have a little paintbrush, that would be ideal. If you don't have even a cheap little watercolor paintbrush, use a butter knife, or here I've got a little popsicle stick. And you can mix this up and even apply it on your project just with the end of your knife. So now you can make slip from home and work on your projects without missing a beat.